we're going to talk about the different lengths and curls of our lashes. We have D curl and we have C curl. When our clients arrive, we ask them what kind of look they're going for, if they want a dramatic look or if they want a more of a natural look. If they want more of a natural look, we will go with C curl. C curl is more of a relaxed curl, kind of a wispy lash, and it depends on if they have hooded eyes, deep set eyes, what kind of look they're going for. But basically, if they want a natural set, we always start with the C curl, and we go the exact same length as their natural lash. So when we match up the eyelash extension to their lash, we match up exactly to the length of their eyelash. And we use C curl. And then if they want more of a dramatic look, we always use D curl. And D curl is more of a lift, it's more of a curl. So it can actually create more of a dramatic look. And with our D curl, you can, I recommend the D curl more for somebody that has deep set eyes, because it kind of lifts, it's more of a lift, anybody that wants an eye lift, because the curl will actually lift your eye and lift your lashes. And the D curls, they stand out more, is great for eyes that are more deep set. Can always go from sizes 9 to 16 are most popular, or 8 through 14 are our most popular lash size. Another amazing thing is with our D and C curl, you can mix. So let's say if somebody wanted more of a cat eye, you can use D curl and then add C curl on the ends, and it gives it a more wispy. And when you mix, the lashes actually creates dimension and gives it fuller looks. So there's certain techniques that you can always do with the lashes. You can also add shorter on the inner, shorter on the outer. It all depends on what kind of look we're going for. We can actually go longer on the ends, longer in the middle, or you can do like shorter, longer, shorter, or you can even do any kind of look that you're going for. It's more of an art. If you are interested in purchasing our lashes or C curl, D curl, you can always hit the link below, click, and purchase. Will take you right to the store to order the lashes. We hope you try them.